House shifting tension? Don't worry. Just log into getchoice.in. Here you will find best packers and movers of your choice from your location, and that too in your budget. Here you will find a solution for all your shifting needs. GetChoice gives you multiple shifting options like packers and movers, loading, unloading, packing or unpacking, or just a vehicle. Here you will find multiple services like household shifting, office shifting, car shifting, or bike shifting, etc. Here you are also given insurance for your valuables and your luxurious cars and bikes so that your shifting experience will be both tension free and hassle free. So log in now on getchoice.in or just call us 73035 39856.